Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing Patreon for June 2023, Part 1. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down link in the bottom as well. If there's a Patreon that you guys want me to look at, please let me know down the comments. And let's get started. So we have 3D Art Guy. So basically, we have Rebecca. We have the Elder Titan. For I forgot what they're called. We have the Blade of Queen, or I forgot her name. We have look like a stormtrooper looking thing, and we have a ship from the the, the Necrons for it. But it's like $7, and the print is really good as well. If you do enjoy like having diorama or pieces like this Titan for your Warhammer, as a proxy, that would be very cool as well. I never really got into the Eldars. They look pretty cool and weird to paint, but I probably gonna end up going to be painting them one day for it as well. And we have the Blade Queen of Blade for it from StarCraft. Very good figure, very good diorama. This is like a mix of the old and some other stormtrooper as well. I know this is supposed to be the look of the Clone War version of it, but yeah, we have that, and we have the Necron, one of the Necron ships. I could probably print this really big, but it's really up to you. I wish I had a bigger printer, but that's pretty much what we have right now for 3D art. We got Oshia minis. A lot of stuff may not be out due to the first week of June. So a lot of stuff is still being processed, and then we can actually, look at it. So this is a June release. We have a lot of stuff that kind of look like StarCraft, but this is usually a proxy version for Tyranids for Warhammer. Especially Leviathan box is coming on for it. This is like a Screamer killer right here in the back. We have some gargoyle looking thing, and we have like, hydrophants and hydrophants as well. So there's a lot of, there's a lot of proxy you can use for that. I don't think 3D prints has a lot of stuff out right now till like later on down the road for it. Yeah, they're waiting for June. Um, this is figures. I think one of them is gonna be Power and Mary Rose for first release. It has been downloaded, and that's pretty much it. TPK Labs. I don't know if they have any for June. I think they have Juba, Lord of the Seas. We have Ancient Well, Sea Serpent, Waterlord Elemental, um, Lord of the Sea Fish. So the sea theme for TPK. So if you gotta go like deep into the oceans, these are the creatures you'll see, except for some of these. But we got some sirens, with some mixed water pirates, I guess. And we have some, probably the pirates from like the Pirates of the Caribbean from Davy Jones crew for it. Some runes for train pieces and floating dead. But that would be actually pretty cool to have in my sea campaign a couple years ago. But they came out back then with that. Village of Hope. I've been having problem with Village of Hope, but we'll see. This is June and May update list. So we have angels and demons for that. Crippling God. What we're going to have for uh, June. It looks like doing Hobbit tints. Hobbitable. So we have hobbits and we have giants. Looks like hill giants for it. Uh, Halflings are great to have actually because we don't have that many halflings prints. So this is actually going to help out a lot with all the farmland and the hobbits for it that you guys can use. Hill giants are kind of common to find to print, but these are probably pretty cool to have. But yeah, so we have halflings. We can finally, goddamn, we have halflings. We need halflings for it. So yeah, this is something I'm gonna have to print because I don't have that many halflings in my arsenals for people to use and play. That and gnomes for some reason, just people don't really want to make it anymore. But yeah, so we have halflings finally. And we got some spreads and some farmlands and stuff like that as well. That is great, really great. Okay, so the next one we got that. We got Village of Hope, like Neko figurines, Fire Emblem Three Houses. I believe this one's for last month. I don't think they have anything out for this coming month out yet. But this will be the one for June. We have Mithra, Asamatoka, and Kafka. So this will be coming out for June. I do want Mithra for anime figurines. And Dragon Rest, we have Wrath of the Shadow Mage. So we have 8 tiles for skulls. I think that's pretty cool as well. And we have boulders. Why do we need rocks? Why do we need that? I want something more intricate for my build. These are like terrain pieces that you can make a whole bunch of like little aesthetics and stuff for it as well, like this, for your campaign and everything. But I think they're gonna have more later on. Making Talon. Yeah, Bridges and Road. They're doing boat this time. A huge boat. So there's gonna be a pirate hall. It looks like it was gonna be. It's gonna come in multiple. And there's another ship as well. Removable cannon door, broads. We'll see more details of this later. But that is what's coming up. This will be a big ship if you guys are interested in doing ships for this campaign as well. And let's see what we got. Nope, not that one. So this one, nope. Or it. Here we go. And made it for all of this. Vagabond. I don't have money for this or this. I am pretty much broke as hell. Okay. So 3D Moon anime figures as well. So we got Yuri from King of Fighters, I believe. Yeah, that's from King of Fighters. And we have Bo Katan that's just been released for it. That's actually pretty good print. Um, I would love to have print more figures in my life, but I need a bigger house. Even my house is pretty damn big, but it's just too much shit right now. Hopefully, this one comes out as well. Yuri Stagman, 400 from King of Fighters as well. I believe this is going to be rendered as well. This is June reward for the Digimon. Flesh of God. If you want something dark and for your campaign, this is one of the good ones as well. The Gate of Despair. And we got Heroes and NPC, Cleric, Play Guide, Oathbreaker Paladin, Gloomstalker Ranger, Gordon Twilight Sentinel, and Darkstalker Rogue. We got large and huge enemies for that as well. That looks pretty, this creature looks freaking cool looking. And we got a medium enemy for your campaign, but they're like very like dark and gruesome and so forth as well as your bust, your throwbacks. So yeah, pretty cool if you're doing like Dark Soul style type campaign. Basksar 3D print. I think we're going back in the jungle again. So you can get these clothed or nude for it, Aztec style or jungle fair girls as well. So it looks like you have be with a giant gorilla. make a King Kong version on your 3D print and put this in your game. Pretty cool as well. Vascar is pretty good. Very good prints. Majority of them are female with big boobs. Just like you know. For it. Anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. If there's something I have missed, please let me know down in the comments. I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.